What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you think will AI take your job? Will AI take your job?
Will AI take your job also? Do you think AI will take cybersecurity jobs?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Learn YouTube channel. So in this video, we have done something really exciting. So we have brought together all the tech professionals working in the AI domain, and they will give us the inside look of what's happening in the tech space. Now, if you want to make your career in this AI space, this video could be a perfect starting point.
So what do you do?
I'm an AI engineer.
So what is the salary expectation if someone is trying to get into this role?
For someone wants to get into this role, they can start somewhere around 10 to 20 lakhs depending on your skill set and experience. And for experienced professionals, it is somewhere beyond 30 lakhs and goes up to 50.
See, as it's quite a booming domain right now, so as freshers you can expect around 8 to 15 LPA, and if you are really experienced and you have done like various certifications extra and this, you can expect about 20 LPA for sure.
AI/ML engineers design smart systems that can analyze and predict the outcomes. In India, one can expect around 8 to 20 LPA if they're a fresher, and with experience they can earn up to 30 to 50 LPA.
Actually, AI is automating repetitive tasks, but it is also creating new opportunities. Think about AI ethics specialists, prompt engineers, AI trainers, machine learning ops. Jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago are there in the market today.
What do you think will AI take your job?
I don't think so AI can take my job, but of course it's a very useful tool and it helps me to analyze my data. It helps me to forecast my sales.
See, I'll be lying if I say AI isn't a thing to be scared of, but then so many tools are there like ChatGPT, WebSim, Copilot.
Yeah.
But I think what I have realized is using AI tools, it will help you augment your capabilities rather than just replacing it entirely.
I definitely agree that AI has the capability to segregate those vulnerabilities and finding all the staggering data and analyzing them, but it can't bring the expertise that humans have.
First, AI is helping with code generation. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code snippets while you are typing. Next, AI is actually amazing for bug detection. It analyzes codes and spots bugs before they even run. And lastly, AI automates testing. It can simulate real-world scenarios, run tests faster than manual methods, making sure everything works smoothly. Artificial superintelligence is a hypothetical stage of AI development where machines are going to surpass human intelligence across all domains. A regular AI handles specific tasks like chatbots or autonomous vehicles, mostly matching human intelligence in narrow fields.